So I'm taking you on a tour of my backyard here. So coming out of my back door, come over, take you through the greenhouse real quick, and then go around the rest of the yard. But see all the different tropicals. Maybe a little fan noise here. And Beverly, these are some of your babies that I started from cuttings off your African milk tree. I've got several of your cuttings that are doing really good. Here's another one. It's about 4 foot tall in the back here. But I'd give you the names of all these plants, but it would take a long time. This is a lemon tree. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's in the corner here. But it's one that Mom started by seed, and it's about 6.5 feet tall. It goes all the way up to the top of the greenhouse. But I'm going to have to cut that back and make it bush out a little more. Most of these plants are ones that I rescued from Walmart clearance. This is a Madagascar palm. It's about as tall as I am, so it's about 5'6". It's huge. Here's a baby. Not this. It's the same type of plant, but it's not the same plant. It's not a cutting, but it's about nearly waist high. This is my biggest and oldest desert rose. Mom loved these, but you can see it makes some really beautiful flowers. And this one is about chest high on me. And one other thing, I do have plants. You might show this to Tim. He was interested in this plant, and I found a good buy on them, so I bought a couple of them. I'm going to keep one, but one's got Tim's name on it. It's a bird nest fern. So he was also interested in my greenhouse setup, but this is a humidifier that I built. It just collects water down in a molasses tub and then pumps it up to the top and drains out the bottom. So it's working pretty well. It's worked all summer. So walking out around the yard here, got a little workbench here. Just moved this out here. Got a variety of different plants. Here's my native cactus. I built this. I got these cactus when Mom and I went to see the eclipse up by Kerrville. And I've got several different ones here. My banana trees. Most of these are in pots. All but one has a new leaf coming out. Yeah, maybe two. But here's a pineapple plant from the top of a pineapple that I got at Walmart. I started that one about 3 or 4 months ago in the summer, but it's already getting huge. Yeah, the sun's kind of washing some of the lighting out here. And this is a future flower bed in development here. So walking back over, On the back side of my greenhouse, I got bougainvilleas, and that one's tipped over. They're very root bound. They need a new home. This is my oldest banana tree that is taller than I am. I'm standing under the limb right now, the leaf, and it just barely touches my head. So this is my most recent creation. This is a temporary greenhouse I'm putting over this flower bed, and spider plants are predominantly what I'm trying to save here. But I've got elephant ears. They didn't get as big this year, but lots of elephant ears. And one of the plants I really like, if I can get the lighting right, is this staghorn fern. It's latched onto the tree. It's kind of like an air plant. So going back around here, I just noticed I got a hibiscus bloom this morning. It's a nice surprise. It hasn't been blooming much recently. But these plants along the walkway here are various ones. I've got arrowhead plants that are from Papaw's funeral years and years ago. These are babies off the mother plant. And then I got pothos plants. I spent the whole weekend taking cuttings off of these and potting them up. Got that about 2 years ago, and it needs to be repotted. Here is this is a coffee plant, so I don't know if it'll ever produce coffee, but we'll find out. It's doing very well here in its location. Another pineapple plant. This is a type of aloe vera. Got several of them just kind of growing in the ground. Another pineapple. And I've got these are a type of ginger plant, not the edible ones, but they're not doing real well, but we'll see how they do. I have one over in one of the other flower beds. This is a plant Mom had on her kitchen counter. It was a pothos that she got at Lisa's funeral, and it's about 5 to 6 feet long from tip to tail. And here's my workstation until I've been busy this morning. Here's a baby bamboo plant I just repotted. It was root bound and not doing very well, but it seems to be pretty happy in its new container. This is some sort of fungi I've been raising for a couple of years, and it's been spreading down this log. I've got some hanging baskets. I don't know what I'm going to do with those when it freezes. Sago palms, aloe veras, calanchos, more hanging baskets. This is my mother spider plant. It's got lots of babies on it. Here in the shadow is another lemon tree that Mom planted. All the lemons are ones that Mom planted. And coming back around here to the back porch, got this fern plant. It's grown huge since I got it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. This is the plumeria tree. It's about 7 feet tall. Quite a tall plant. And here's a baby one right here that I'm growing. I'm going to give Laney a couple of those. Here's all the... This is the snake plant that came from a funeral. Can't remember whose funeral, but oh no, this is the snake plant from Mom's Mother's Day gift when I was 8 years old, so that makes it 51 years old. And these are about 5-gallon pots that these are in. You can see it's just full. This is one I rescued from work. Here's the African milk tree that I didn't know if it was going to live or not. It's still in the same pot y'all sent it home in. This is the mother arrowhead plant that came from Papa's funeral. More milk tree. Here's my succulent farm that doesn't do well. It doesn't get enough light here, but got a variety of different succulents here. That's a baby monstera plant that I just potted yesterday. More milk trees. A poinsettia from last Christmas. It keeps getting bugs on it, and it nearly died a few weeks ago. It's coming back. I've been keeping it in intensive care. These are stingray alocasias, and they call them that because of the shape. They look like a stingray. But we've got several of these that are babies off their mother plant. And then these are called watermelon plants. You can see why. They look just like a watermelon, the leaves. And these are babies that I just potted up yesterday. Here's the ponytail palm that Mom had in her kitchen. I need to move it. It's probably not getting enough light there, but I don't know where else to put it. So, quick tour around my backyard.